Man, I'm in Washington State, Seattle. Okay, now they call him Seattle. They don't see, they just corrected me now. They don't call it Seattle. It is called Seattle. Seattle. Yeah? Seattle.
On February 2024, I was scrolling on TikTok. Then I jumped into an ad. This guy was sharing testimony of how he got his 5 years multiple entry visa to the US. I went into the immigration service provider website. I saw lots of testimony. Then I decided to reach out to the guy. We scheduled an appointment. On the day of the appointment, we discussed about the application and paid 681 USD. Then he began the application. A few days later, he sent me the application format to send him some of my information, which I did. After a week, he sent me an appointment date, which happens to be on the 14th of July 2024. A day before the interview, he has coached me with some frequently asked questions and how to answer them. On the day of the interview, I got dressed, got all the required documents ready, and I proceeded as early as 8 a.m. to the embassy. When I got there, the embassy was full. I was on the 19th person on the queue. And with over 4 dozens of applicants behind me, 90% of the applicants ahead of me got rejected. But God helped me, and I was issued 5 years B1, B2 multiple entry.
So here I am, and this is row number 7 where I'm gonna be checking in.
So as you can see, I've just been issued my body pass. Okay, here is my body pass with me, and I am good to go. I just give you a proper view of my body pass. Here is my body pass, and here is my passport, and I am good to go for my trip, economy class. And my seat is 40K, which is back window seat, and I'll be going to Sia, which is Seattle, and it's going to be on a 14-hour trip. It's going to be a long trip. See you when I get there. Super excited. You can imagine the kind of excitement inside of me right now. Okay guys, as at this point, we've already started boarding. So we are just at the boarding tunnel, or what should I call it? And finally, we are already seated, and we've started, ascending. And my trip is 14 hours from Doha, and there we are up there. Before we knew it, breakfast has been served, and a usual person, I know they play with food, started munching it and eating it. After some time, sleep, voila. By the time I woke up, we've spent 7 hours, and we still have 8 hours more to go to reach Seattle. So man, as at this time, I'm tired already. Just before we knew it, there was lunch, and there's this rice that looks like jollof rice. Actually, it's biryani rice, but it looks nice, and I actually enjoyed it. It was full of enjoyment inside that flight. It actually served us 3 meals that day. Towards the time that we were supposed to land, another meal also came. It was very nice. It was a long trip, and I actually enjoyed my trip. Being the fact that it was a long trip, it makes it more kind of adventurous for me, because it was the first time I'm traveling to the United States of America, God's own country, the place that everyone wants to go, So as at this time, we're about to land, we're getting close. At this moment, we're about to descend, and the view is so great. Look at everywhere. It became something like, wow, this is real. I'm actually in the United States of America, and over here we are the runway, and before we know it, I'm already out proceeding to the immigration. But before you go to the immigration, you have to collect your bags, all your bags. That is how it is being done. You collect all your bags before you go to passport control center. Over here, I was just walking, and making selfie of myself while I was walking. Man, this airport is
America.
so big.
Whoa. I next visited. Hey guys, I'm here in United States. I'm in the city of Washington State with my G, Brian. With my G, Brian. Brian, say hi to the G's there.
What up?
What up? What up? Tell them how we just start. How we just start for Dubai. Tell them how we just start for Dubai. When we dey clean, they do office work and everything.
Give me the top story.
Man, I'm in Washington State, Seattle. Okay, now they call him Seattle. They just corrected me now. They don't call it Seattle. It is called Seattle. Seattle. Yeah? Seattle. He came to pick me up at the airport, man. It was a 14.5-hour long trip. Oh my goodness.
Where did they post this one? They go.
They go.
I just say get YouTube channel.
I got YouTube channel now. No worry, your pogi no go enter inside.
No worry, my friends will show.
I'm so happy, man. So happy, man. You've done the work. You've done well for yourself. Yankee, here we go. Who knows? Say we do. Who knows? Say who know that year we dey clean. We don't know say we go come Yankee. That year we dey do cleaning job. We dey throw mop left and right.
It's called patience.
Patience. Somebody say patience. That's massive, baby. Man, Yankee here we dey. I just landed at about 12 o'clock. That's 12 p.m. and my guy came to pick me up at the airport. Now we're in his apartment, and after here I'll be going to my hotel room because I know say he babes go soon come, so I don't. He babes they go soon come, so I don't want. I need to come here.
No level. If anybody come, they go see chill. You don't get what they do.